With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the students, in this question we have given two vertices of a triangle as A 2, 1 and B 3, -2, and we have given that the third vector C is lying on the line y equal to x plus 9. Okay, if the centroid of this triangle ABC is lying on the y-axis, we need to find the coordinate of this point C. Okay, so and the centroid, both we need to find. Okay, so let me first construct a triangle. Okay, so I have constructed a triangle. Okay, now let me draw a line which is passing through one vertex. Okay, so let me draw this line. Okay, which is passing through this vertex. Okay, now let me write what is given in the question. So we have given this A vertex as what? As 2, 1. Okay, and we have given my second vertex B as what? As 3, -2. Okay, let's say this is my third vector C. Okay, and let's say there is a centroid here. Okay, and we have given equation of this line which is passing through this third vector C. Okay, and equation of line is what? Y equal to x plus 9. Okay, so now see, let take the, and this is my centroid. Okay, let name this as O, and this having a coordinates as x, y. Okay, so now see, not x, y, let take it as h, k. Okay, wait a minute, h, k. Okay, now let take that the abscissa of this coordinate C. See, also we have given that this is lying C. Let's say this point C is having a abscissa as A. Okay, what abscissa as A? So what will be its ordinate? See, as this is on this line, so this point will satisfy this equation. So I can write y to be equal to A plus 9. So its ordinate will be A plus 9. Okay, and see, we have given that centroid is lying on y-axis. Okay, so as we know, whenever a point is lying on a y-axis, so its coordinates is of form 0, b. Okay, let me take b any value. Okay, so my center is what? Is 0, b. So its coordinate will be of this form. Okay, now we have to find this b value and this a value. Okay, so for that, let me use my centroid formula. Okay, see, the coordinates of the centroid is given by, see, if we have given x and y as the centroid coordinates. Okay, so these are x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, and the y coordinate of the centroid is given as y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Okay, now we have the x coordinate of the centroid as it is given, it is lying on y-axis. Okay, so let me substitute x is equal to 0 here. Okay, and x1 will be the what? Abscissa of A point, which is 2. So let me write 2 here. x2 is abscissa of B, which is 3 here. So let me write 3. And x3 will be abscissa of C point, which is A here. So it will be A divided by 3. Okay, so from here I am getting, let me cross multiply. So this is giving 0 to be equal to 5 plus A. 5 plus A. So we are having A to be equal to what? Minus 5. What? To be equal to minus 5. So what will be the coordinate? So I can write the coordinate of point C. So the coordinate of point C, which are A, A plus 9, will be equal to what? Will be equal to A we have found as minus 5. So A plus 9 will be equal to minus 5 plus 9. So that will be equal to 4. Okay. So the coordinate of the third vertex is minus 5, 4. Now let me find the y coordinate of the centroid. Okay. So see, y coordinate we have taken as b. So b will be equal to y1. y1 will be the coordinate of this point, which is 1. Then y2 will be the ordinate of b point, which is minus 2. And y3 will be the ordinate of c point, which we have found to be 4. Okay. So that will be 4 divided by 3. So that will be equal to 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So it will be 3 divided by 3, that will be equal to 1. Okay, so the coordinate of the centroid will be equal to what? Will be equal to this 0, comma b we have found to be 1. So that will be the centroid of my triangle. So if you understand, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.